This is Donald Barber with the J. Michael Manley team here at Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate. And today we're standing outside of 22 Farr Drive here in Greenville, which is being listed for $180,000. This 3-year-old home with no HOA is within 6 minutes of downtown Greenville and 5 to 7 minutes of Travelers Rest and Furman University and the Swamp Rabbit Trail. What you'll see on the outside of this home is the 2-car garage, a second driveway that goes around to the back, a Ring doorbell which is included. It backs up to the woods, fenced-in yard, and a deck and a front porch. As you enter this home, you'll see brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, fresh paint, master bedroom and laundry room as you break off to the left side of this home. And as you come through the great room area, you'll see the other 2 bedrooms and full bath on the other side. This is roughly 1,400 square feet, and it comes with the refrigerator as well. Let's go ahead and check this home out.